I just smooth.
Calling for the man them here. One East Side Kingston. If your girl use too much ties cause you can't please her. You see, no man can fuck no girl so hard. That a vibrate 7. If she put it on slow, that a vibrate 70 times more than how you can stab her bad man. Where that I do for she, you can never ever ever help her. You see me? Wood she for God he make ties in a blood clot woman. Real wood bro, she no fear use no dildo bad man. You hear that bad man, you find a woman with them thing there cause just know say you go and fuck till you find a natural girl cause. I tell you, brawling. Just go and fuck. You see me? You mad? Man can sleep with which bumbo clot ties. I'm done with you. I fuck every now and then when I feel like my mind change.
Mama tell you something. You know, this is a way for understand. Sometimes.
Pass demon, bro. Them should have just stay at sucking dick. No, for a sodomite for use vibrator, bad man. Rest your back. So you can fuck when you're old, man. Reason with the hell of them. Not the one them you bow and suck pussy. The one them you bow them overuse them back. Pan some big woman we done. Reason with the mother bow woman and your grandmother. Be a big woman grow me. You hear? No, we not talk about them. Just a say. The man them we done. The man them we done cause them no reason with them mother bow woman cause. You see me? Too much vibrator bad man. If you want to learn about woman, reason with your grandmother don't like woman. Go reason with your granny pussy hole if you want to learn about girl. You can't reason with girl about girl. She got this and tell you say, oh, pussy hole up your stress. You don't know read the media. You know blood clot idiot. Your pussy hole idiot. Are your mother alone? One fucking queen. Anything you want, any headache you have, reason with the mother, not even with the dog. Certain things are reason with the dog, youth. She never ever sell you out. Remember that fuck. You fucking idiot. From the start look you, cause she go beg me, you know. I'm kind. So I don't want to look like a fucking idiot. Cause my mother no grow me as a fucking idiot. As my blood clot start chatting and you beg me, me not just give my mother more bumbo clot money just so. Cause me and my mother, I not get no youth yet. And me and my mother and my family me I work for. And if me a fuck you get mine. So anything you beg me, if me can't reach you, I make you up on one part. Your mother and the teacher for give thanks, give me back my money. Me and no mama man. Give me back my money. Cause you don't feel please. And I mean when you fuck, go beg makeup. Go beg fucking makeup. What a blood clot there, girl. I be a girl pit me grow around. I watch him a clown out some man. And when she mute the phone and I tell it, watch a idiot here. Kill him dead, say me a ball, you know. I made her hurt me. I say, watch you no pussy hole, you know. No, sorry for them, cuz. Who in a belly? If you go there, you feel ignorant and I be a stab, make you say you can't fuck. Cause you're the pleaser, that's why you continuously get the fuck, bro. Brawling. If you not get the fuck, stop spend. You fucking idiot. Hey, no, me can't program you. You can't get mine. Me a man. Me a king. August my born. You a bumbuck Olive Shavar man. Me understand, me know when for call and Ray. On topic with you. Woman cheat better than man. Or man cheat better than.
Man I got always cheat better than man.
Woman I got always cheat better than man. Can you see man now? Woman just use psychology and just leave some things for her and give her on herself. Alright. Me go kind of be defensive on that because here what happen. You see a lot of times when uno man go road for go cheat, uno not do the whole, you know, sex and just a go and have fun on road. You know what uno do? Uno build a whole new life out there. Uno out there build relationships. Uno out there tell the next lady say, babes, you know say Ray and Tay and me and my woman are gonna live and me and my woman no death and the woman believe. Uno out there open next account with the woman. Uno out there I build business with the woman. And uno know the expects of the woman. I go in return, I go say, I share the woman, talk truth.
Listen now. You see, a man a cheat with a girl. He may stay so bams and she said, don't call 6 o'clock because my man a go reach home. Him not call. You see, if you start fuck her, she call her anytime she start catch feelings. She fuck up your yard thing. Me have to mute my phone when me never have to mute my phone. My woman now go, she crosses. Blood clot, girl, understand your role. Blood clot, you have your man and me not violate you. But you violate me. Man can cheat better, but man just feel like them stupid. Them not stupid.
Sunshine, I totally agree with you with that. And me I talk of a life experience. Total life experience. Man, let me tell you something. Y'all listen to me? You see man cheat because them can cheat. You see when a woman really go cheat, because she has searched for something. Where a relationship like no, let me finish. You're going to tell me finish. Let me tell you something. Man cheat because them know them can cheat. Because according to society, man limited a woman enough. So a man feel like say them supposed to have how much woman out there because woman shorted, man shorted. Yeah, man shorted them call it. Lord, remember black clot talk.
Two man can't breathe.
Shut up.
Shut your fuck up.
You see when a woman cheat, you gonna listen to me? Make me talk. You see when a woman go cheat, a shorter relationship shorter something. No, and a psycho, shut up your bright. You're fucking bright. What you mean shut up? And a psycho baby. No, you have not. Man, your pussy clot. Man, your mama. Move with the black club or shut up. Learn that. But sometimes when officer no make no sense. When man officer sometimes no make no blood clot sense. And then again, we the woman them are gonna come to the solution because them can't find none. More than dig themselves in a more problem. You get to me I say? So me don't know what you say. No man can't tell me for sure. I say, show your signal, say your relationship a falter. But man show you as a man, like what you do right now, not take the time out for listen, observe, and see say your relationship a falter, you don't know, say, you can't fix on the relationship before, so you go on road. Go find other fucking solution and cause blood clot problem as well my friends say. If you go find family and build blood clot family, when you decide for start out full relationship, and what the fuck you talk about? Me live this so me can't tell you this.
Not uno member say other woman do things out the way you not do. Sorry, I should them in an interview not for do so. I should have be a bad man there reason and tell you know what them face. Sometimes woman not for dead to cause. I mean I violate them. Me, yo, every time I say something fuck up people. My dog, I can post it. Me not enemy a road. I feel violated when I say certain things towards them because I have nothing towards woman. Pan a whole. Because I love my mother, I love my auntie, I love every woman. Swizz I'm an artist. Vybz Kartel I'm an artist. Massacre, all of them sing good tune about woman. Yeah, because when I go party, I know one of them man they were like each up and I love woman. So not true me I talk certain way about woman, I don't want to feel violated. When I say a man deal with a girl certain way, it's because we are next woman do him. So it's like him put up a guard against you know. Yeah, because watch out, you're going to have a different style as what she said earlier. Look on the camera and I make them. Why we go start a business with a woman outside? Me not reach a level yet for start business yet, but view it. You don't come to the man with no business, you don't want to sell no jars to your bag of girlfriend them. Where him can say, yo, mama, we are going to buy 2 barrels of jars of foreign and go and sell. With 2 other woman stuff. No, she a tell you about here and this and that. So the man say, alright. I love the fuck what you give me, you know, so. Me I go and work with the pressure till you're ready for left. She didn't even know so the man tell himself that. That's why some man are married, sorry. Me I tell you. Because after them show them true color. Them a wait for the ring there for go on, bro. Wait till the law change. Way. If you respect her and want to give her half or give her a percentage of your thing towards the youth or the value she put in your life, she deserve a percentage of your money. A your decision. Wait till the law pass a Jamaica with chums. Dog, them have so many things hidden under them fucking skin you can never know. What a fucking woman is preying you for. She could be preying you from the first day you have met her and you never... A woman are the biggest scammer. No man can tell me say them scam like woman. You hear that? She trick you from no, so she give the fuck a whole heap of... I'm full of woman cousin. And that's how I talk. So the thing them do in front of me. So me not too... You see, friend, you say me I look here and you say certain things to me. From the moment my girl not just not like my cuz. Can I tell her, say, hey mama, what you do? Don't do that. Better you do it so. And that little style. Train them to cuz. Train them. No just left them empty and did so. Because other killers are going to see them and say, what did that riff-raff here? Give them like a training. Beg him one different way. And
hey, my baby father teach me wally. I can't tell you that, so I know what I talk about.
I still want to start from, because I all shake your fuck. Hold on. Take a sip again. You see when I deal with them woman here? You see when she start cuss her way, you go in your calm mind. And you see when she get out her hand when you say shut up and she not shut up, you go in your ever calm mind. As me I say now. Man cheat because I'm tired for you talk to you. You see the man, him talk to you directly with the problem we have. You see the woman, I'm there St. Thomas, because she drive go way a blood clot Westmoreland and come back before she tell you what the problem. Me can't read mine. You talk directly? No. You sit down and you pre everything, a man, something happen and him watch and him watch you 2 more time, him tell you, hey mama, you know I'm not too like that style, I'm not too gross, you know. I'm not too I'm not program saying what the blood clot you do. You see me? Cause dog, a whole heap of man let down the culture cause but you don't know. Who hold the faith, go and hold the faith, dog. We might be small in the numbers, but you have to hold the faith cause me I tell you, don't make no woman overthrow you, bro. Anything what you say. You see me? If she say Ray and her friend them Ray and you feel like for free up tonight, you free up tonight. I don't know, don't pick up my girl at a party every night cause I just fuck you look. You blood clot that. Buy her 1 year, 1 year now and go and fuck her for 1 month. And no say ease off a little bit. And then you buy her something again and then you go and fuck her again. You hear that? You blood clot that, boy. You gotta pay a light bill and everything one time and you have your woman in your yard. You pussy clot that. You know no blood clot sense. All if you have the money can do it. Meet her one party youth. Save your money for when you can't really do nothing. Because your youth them no must help you. As I tell them, I get no youth but you have to pre-life for each old man them. No married. Till the law change in Jamaica. Yeah, me not reach a stage yet. And me not bow for now. If me for bow. And me not go bow. You mad? Yeah, me no weak. My mother feed me right. And who me a fucker feed me right. And when more me no want for her food, me go link my mother, I eat that. And she wanna get my money, bro. Me still have to... How long now your blood clot mother I take care, you know, I give your mother no money and then you can give your girl a hole. You eat that? Go and save bad man. Give what you can give when you can give. Meet them at one part. Because them a meet at one part. Them a come fuck you and them leave. I be a fake moon. I make you pop off quick. If you is a man who don't really pop off quick, you would have feel good in yourself and then they kick. And she text her friend and say, oh, him can't even fuck. You can blood clot stay there. Use the cocky to your pleasure more while. As a bad youth. As me I tell you, mix up the fuck pan them more while. Wine in them belly. Stop them. Build a rhythm in your head if you not listen to music. Build a playlist. You blood clot that. You have to build a playlist. You can't just ram the girl them so them tell you say you can't fuck, but sometimes them put you under ignorant vibes and you just want to bust off. Them don't even understand how man think. You have to reason with a man, mama, for know how man think. You try think for a man and a daughter fuck up the world. Woman a try be man. As I tell her, I tell her, I say, shut up. No disrespect. And me a the man, shut up. So I can understand and then my reason, then I talk again. You hear that? I don't grow with my mother around the house when my mother and father. She run the house when she live by herself. When my father did it, she get the money and she shot me, yes. And she do the necessary, pay the bill and the necessary. But at the done of the last talk, yeah, make a bag of noise and the done sit down and listen and then him say, yo, here we go on. Done. Not necessarily say shut up. Done. But, yeah, hear that? Any girl they do it. Just read little bit about chess to her, real chess. Chess about life. The king of the last talk. Why? Your dick can impregnate a lot of females one time. This female can only carry one man blood clot pitney at a time. Hey girl, he make for fuck a blood clot bag of man. And me make for fuck a bag of girl. Your pussy did make as a padlock. One key, one fucking... Buy a padlock at your house and if anybody a road can come pull your house, that means that lock they no go, don't it? As look on her pussy they said we a year key alone for can pull that. Hey girl, you can trick me. Not you, you know. Don't take it that way. In general, ladies, who move that way, differentiate on yourself. Because not all are now ladies. Not only, you know. In general, for the interview when you know post it. Not only, you know. Remember, I don't know nothing about you know. Don't play with them. Without tell them your mind. You see when you meet a girl, she will tell you what she want and what she... Them don't know say man adjust to anything. Them don't know nothing about God. So we are going to go and watch them say we and work with where you are. First thing she say why we got a road go cheat. You're not talking on the house. But I respect you and how you think. Then Browning say, you got a road go start business with girl. That girl have a business mind. You want blood clot idiot. A beer ear you want, beer nails. You just want to look good. I don't come for done me. Me a pre-life. A boss more Anton. You want to send me go work every day go dead. You see a blood clot idiot. You feel like work no value nothing fam. Freedom is everything. Have a little business where you can, you see if you work I get $3 a day, you have somebody that work for you and you can collect $3 a day for them without doing nothing. Think about that youth. You see if you make millions, go and pray your life like a youth you do a 9 to 5 and not really make nothing in the wholesale. And go and put on your money and see if you can start over life, bad man. Meds over life, youth. You know meds life right from one day, bad man. I tell you youth. You see me a 9 to 5 me do you know. I like your size, I cool as fuck. I like the two one, you know, brown and sexy. I love woman, you know, brawling. May I tell you? You're a real girl, you're a real girl. You're a real girl, pre-war one in her life, not just you. That's why I say I speak in general, bro. Average woman, average idiot. Look at girl right now, you know I like cut off. I'm going to beg you to fuck, you hate me. Don't beg me if you don't want me to beg you, mama. I know you're going to beg me, you know, I'm going to give you. So I'm going to tell you, say, I want the fuck. Now, you will probably... Ah, me killer. If you pay a piece of the light bill, I call you fuck. Hold it in her belly. Ask my friend, me no pet girl pitney bad boy. The dog have a grandmother, she not like woman. I said where my granny stay. It fuck up if a woman don't like. Yeah, a very rare see a man really hate a man, bro. I must kill a man and kill a man, make him hate him gunman. Brawling. A very rare see some fiction for happen, some fucker for happen for a man, hate a man. Man not really hate man, bro. Woman hate them one another, them even like themselves. Them go change ear. Woman all put on body. You don't like yourself, you buy shape. Not you, you know. Not you. Don't hate me. Look for now. Don't hate me. If you see me back in a life, love me. And if a man left here, you can beg me fuck. Me no mean. Anybody can left. Anybody beg fuck. All woman beg fuck too. Me I tell you. Me I tell you that. Friend look neat. And it's bumbo clam call you fuck. If you look neat, carry yourself neat. If you're dirty, you come from America and she not like you, nobody fuck her. Other pussy there they cause. You hear that? More woman there than man. You know see every man a fire shot. Go and work.
Murder. You touch my wally papa. Just me when I was
I can't talk about everything. I don't even remember some of the things.
Murder! We can't take one session for do this. A jam box and no part 2. A second edition I forgot to do for this. Cause it's not normal at all. I don't know who hurt your heart in a brother.
No,
but a girl stamp on you. Who kidding her?
No, watch out.
I'm not going to tell a lie still, you know.
I understand what you're saying.
Listen to me talk now, you don't feel like you're talking. Go and take a walk, man. Alright, go on. Hey, Kartel, you do damage. Straight vibes are kill me now, everybody, so it not help me. Murder. Kartel, you have to go link with a quick couple boxes, but hear this. I'm not going to tell a lie still, you know. You touch on some very crucial topics, you know. I figure do a part 2, probably a 3 and a 4. Because I'm going about 10 topics a while ago. Where? It's sensitive.
Foreigner, Canadian, England.
Yeah, man, it's sensitive. Sensitive. But me don't know who the damage in your life, you know, but somebody crush your can, you know. But sometimes you have to go down, man.
Tell you where the woman them
I understand what you say still. No joke.
To a next man. Me a man, when you play a certain card for me, I made sad thing I do. A girl no belly na earth, you know. You think you can trick me? No, where you better come at me hard then for? Who in a belly? Stay, if you're sick, and you're there for your period, don't stay home.
No,
don't stay home. Don't stay home.
Right.
If you're sick, and you're there for your, tell me before, don't come. Tell me before you come.
No, you can't say that, brother.
Listen. Tell me before you come, so me sit down and make up my mind.
No.
So when me say yeah forward and my body stiff up, I can hold it.
No, and I say fuck a bugger, man. A lot of things can deter your period, your cycle. A whole heap of exactly. People have hormone imbalance. Woman way. Listen, shut up and listen now. Then that me I do now, you're not giving me the time to do that. No, you can't chip in. Let me talk, man. Bumbuckler, man. Let me talk, man. Yeah, but hormone imbalance can't do it. You have woman who really work hard. You have woman who really, and that can shift with cycle sometime too. So things can alter your cycle. So if me say, alright, where your name? Where your name?
Everything, Swizz God.
Swizz God. So if me turn to you and say, Swizz God, hey, me I send you a message and I send you a pussy picture the day and I say, baby, me I come here, come fuck up my hole in and by the time me reach, my period just suddenly come down for me. Say, you can't blame me because it never in the schedule.
No, listen on, that's how I tell you.
So this is where you have to top of yourself. Listen, shut up and listen what me I tell you, Fido. And this me I tell you, Fido. So don't feel like say, we want to come pop up on you when we are see a period. No, a woman cycle can change anytime it feel like. You get to me I say? So when we want to do as man, have to be our comfort, for be our pain reliever than a Advil or a Panadol. You get me I say? So you're going to turn me back if me come. So you're going to turn me back if me come and my period just come down for me, so then me can't tell you say baby my period come because I never expect it to come that day the way you talk about.
Listen now. As a man, sometimes it's hard for reason with woman to hear because so
it's not hard for reason, I just want to feel like say we're hard for deal with, but we're not difficult.
Are we pull more than one lock? Brawling, them have one pussy, them can't talk for the man them hood. The man them have pull more than one lock. We understand. Some women study themselves. Before you go in on the pussy, she will tell you certain little things if she have certain little personal, not problems, but natural body things, if you understand, cause you know just jumping at some girl some while bad man. You call where you come from? She live there, so mad dog, you know what a girl? No, you know. So she says she live for your gang. Me nah bother fuck that I could a transgender. Oh my God! You idiot. I'm an of know from some, you know just jump bad man. If you come from girls, you understand youth. Enough man got roll go link girl and dead. You know just link up girl just so. You work on a program, as I'm tell you now. As I'm tell you now, deal with girl thing, personal, on a program. You tell a girl say come meet you there so. And you stand up way around one part and tell her say they right this and you somebody a look. And when she pull up on the spot, I just stay so I decide my mind from this. Say I'm me run program. Or if I make sure I run the program, I hear that and you go stand up in the little red spot and even know say light pine pan you. And you eyeball. I hear that. Who come from Garrison know where me talk? Say just life and facts. You see me? Life and facts, bro. You meet a new girl. If you don't know road code, left the road. If you want to know road code, roll it a bad boy. And if you not really roll it, everybody know wrong from right and know wrong from right and know when I move no right. So you have to know how to roll youth. If your mother and your father never grow you right, learn from a bad virgin where you respect and like how him roll. And go and adapt to what him do. But not adapt fully like a fuck man. Move on a little level. And everybody where you go on have a different movement. Be a leader. And if he's a follower, be a follower where be a man where a leader right. Not no fuckery, cause you know fuckery. Brawl it. No, if me I know you see me a roll with a bowcat, me a no bowcat. If you see me a roll with a batty boy talk, and me a no batty boy. And none of me killer them a no batty boy either. But if you know something where me no know, yeah man, just start brawling for the media, mama. If a boy near me start brawling. Cause enough of them a hide and hate. I want come guns out to kill them on the block. Hey boy, I hear that. Make man know say about you to a man buy a pack of plate for every time you come on boat run and get that and dash with that. I want to your pussy. And every man bow, bro. I'm not this you suck pussy. But if you fuck body don't come on the block. Suck your mother. Brawling. Yeah, cause Vybz Kartel say them suck pussy don't this them. I feel him think that he would not work.
Guys, I'm not good in bed. Yeah. Like seriously, I'm not good in bed.
Work, so I'm going to name the girl for please the girl. He might do that work there where me nah do. So I nah hate him. No time my dead if you suck pussy me nah hate you. Me and you nah puff no spliff cause I stop smoke when I work. But when me used to smoke, if you bow, we can smoke around. And now me give my spliff, I eat that. Me I build a new one. Brawling. Yeah, if you bow, I'm give you my, me don't want it back. So me not say me you not smoke either. Me will give you my spliff, but me don't want to split for you, you know. Yeah, so it don't be shy if you tell a friend say you suck pussy boy. And stop grounds out the man, make the girl them see the man on the road and feel like him suck pussy. batty boy. Yeah. So when a man a defend you, don't make a girl can show him a video behind the man back. Cause the girl them for setting up to no look a suck pussy boy. You see me?
Do that. I can't do that. I know me never nice suck pussy man when him come, him eat me, him give me my money. And two girl go bust for a man, them running from the end so me can't get them more money again. You crazy. We can't do that. You crazy. You crazy. Just know say a big tooth. Hello. Man and man. Hello. A full time now. Shut up and make my bumper clock talk. A full time now. When you not go, man, and go one side. Hello. Men and men. A full time now. We too cheap. Who not share the same spliff? Go buy two different friends for your spliff for your friend. Where you talk about? We not burn no suck pussy man. Big up every suck pussy man. Big up on yourself. Me love uno. Right through, no doubt about that. Continue doing a good job. Cause sometimes we don't want to hardcore cocky a beat up walls. We want cocky pussy wall them massage. With the tongue, so where you talk about? Hello, just go and allow the man to suck pussy. Ladies, you don't follow me now. Don't stop telling the man them and allow them, make them do what them do. And that me say sunshine, where you say? Big up the suck pussy man them sunshine cause of our man them.
Me can't burn out the man them way, you know, do that. Me can't do that. But the only thing I have a problem with is, you know, these men nowadays where go out there and them have sex with male, or them even have sex with other woman in the rear round there, so I have a problem because at the end of the day, you know that can get a female herpes and certain things. So the only thing I have a problem with is a man who goes at the back door. I don't have a problem with those men who go down there and enjoy their meal. You understand me? Because for me, man, for enjoy their meal, whether the woman cook it or it's already there prepared. Warm. But
mother, they say if you find out say she a freak, you see before you fuck her, tell her who you be, who you stand. Don't drink nothing from her. Your mother train you. Walk with a bucket of water and a dragon. Anytime you don't know where you feel uncomfortable, walk with a bucket of water and a dragon. Don't make your lip run dry where you have to say, beg you something for drink. You mad? That means you don't get no training, show drugs there, you fucking idiot. And do things with it where you not for do. Don't take nothing other than weed, cigarette, don't trust nobody at all. With your one life, you could have done menke and do things, and when you look back on the video, you say, with the blood clot, this. If you're a bad youth in the street, you see certain things that certain people do and them don't even know. And you could all play a ball or you're on the block and a man of this and you could have said something and him don't even know, so you know more while. So, in a life, know what you are do and look on God when you do it. Because God alone is going to go with you when you do it. Everybody have to talk to God for themselves. Know what you are do. Because a brawling cause and not just viral talk, dog. What I mean a life, youth. Enough boy they on the block and them don't know so the killer them know so them suck pussy. Brawling. Enough man, they run certain man attack and them don't know so the man them know so them bow. So watch this. Who are them straight? Who are them straight? Go on them straight. Go say a prayer every now and then.
Call it the in thing.
Me love the girl that me suck good enough, but me not suck pussy. So before me fuck you, me tell her say mama me not bow. Me a bad boy, me love tell woman bow myself, cause me no love man. So when me go to school, if you have to introduce yourself to people. That's the first thing. You look a girl, don't yo mama red no cause I just are nice so she can and tell her who you be before you ask her what she name. You hear that? You don't get the training, boy. And scroll up on your phone and man and teach you how to look, girl, then if you don't get the training. Learn!
Nothing wrong with that.
As me say, watch this. They say if them never married, you see it? Them never know say me like them too, you know. I tell me say them married on the video and them don't even know that make me even not.
Married, they say ring for my finger.
Yeah, go on like you want me look, you know. Me love big fuck, you know. Don't play with me now, make mind make the killer them pre me fear, you know. Behave yourself. Cause she did, me look you, I drive, come here. Who me a roll with a bad man? Them we wait.
Where you drive?
A regular car me drive, man. If a car make your pussy jump, me not have that car there. Me a regular 9 to 5 worker here. Enough woman no like that man because they see it, she asks wait. Look for my black body. I never say you no like me, I just say. Look for my black body and make she like me. And you know, me love beg fuck. Some girl give the fuck free cause she like you. Some girl give the fuck for see if you're kind. So she can call upon you every now and then. When you can help her. Don't sit down in your yard and pray no girl if you kill no girl cousins. The man them don't give you money if you are going to kill the people them girl pitney, that wrong. Man them are going to look for you. That's why I say meet them at one part. Meet them at one part. I love big footing, I love big fuck. Me look shiny pan. We're thick and black and nice. Jesus Christ.
But them me a problem because me have ties.
That me can't please you. She gone back on the first topic when me join the interview. Check them out tomorrow. Don't feel insecure. Questions were made to ask. What you want to know? Ask. If she deny for answer, you think about it and answer it for yourself. Why she don't want to answer? You know have sense. When you do test a 4 blood clot question, 4 answer them give for each question.
Sometimes 5.
And you don't know the answer. You read the question 5 times and read through the answer them 5 times and pick out 2 where it can't be. None at all. And then when you look for the last 2 now you read it, then you say fuck it. Me and I don't say that this. Say if you get it wrong or so. But you take out the 2 where it can't cause. Reason with the girl them not like talk. You see me? The best friend side. No, it's hard, mama. Me can't work out my way now, but I understand enough man go through because I tell you how stressing. Whether you're on the side or the main, or just so woman make to bro, so you have to know that. So the best thing we can reason with your mother and your granny and your auntie them. Them now.
With your woman? Are your woman have problem with any?
Look on the girl on the viral video where I go around and say, hold up your stress, bro. Hold up your stress. Hold up your stress. Hold up your stress. Yeah, blood clot that don't reason the woman. Better have one girl best friend where you go and fuck you tell her 2 little things sometime and say, what you think about this? And she tell her say, instead of girl you go around you. And then you start fuck shit, you just ease off a little bit because you don't want to she know too much.
Hey, yeah, just smash up some whole relationship.
No, don't let you good man. If you not eat. Yes, if you find out say a man a fuck pan you, one thing you for ask him, mama, if you are the one. And then make him sit down and looking at himself and give him a little bit of time. Because why? You go ask a fuck up question and you go shock him because I realize the blood clot you dig down my phone. Or you find out something. Sometimes you are the one and you fuck up on yourself and then you want to run back to and then you rate, you know. I just fuck alone. So man kind of thing fuck up. We love you know, but we not tell you know. Out there road and just a fuck and you go here and you fuck yourself. Don't fuck yourself. Know where you stand in the man life. See where him hang himself for you. Not really hang himself, you know. Don't hang yourself, you fucking idiot. See where him reach the boundary for you. And if you work with him and give, work with it. If you not work with it, tell the man and dog clown out the man and dog give him the fucking Some youth can't manage pressure too. Yeah. Some man can't manage pressure to mama, so you have to understand, say, I go that you am first woman who really give in and give him like a fuck and him not understand what go on. And you see say him pick up him not understand. Help him little bit and tell him say, hey listen, you're not really ready for the world yet, but me give you two little fuck. Reason with the man, and nobody clown him out, some man live under some peer pressure, stress, a whole heap of friend me have cause. Me have fatherless friend, me have motherless friend, me have friend when I have no mother and father, me have nephew when I have no mother and him view life different. Every single youth we grow with him mother and father love a girl different. From a man we grow with him father alone and him love a girl different from a man we grow with him mother alone. You see the one we grow with him mother alone, him little bit softer than the whole of them man I just tell you about. You see the one we grow with him father alone. Me mix grow. Me have whole heap of yard. Hold on, me mix grow. Me have whole heap of yard. Me grow most with my mother. My mother mad. So you have to call her half a man, but mother a fuck girl. My mother mad. I be a bad man my mother grow with. And my father was bad man, but him done with it long time from him a little boy because him lose too much friend. I work my father working now. Till him ready for retire. But as me I say, most of the time, the youth them grow most with them mother, not the father. Them father still there. Them show the girl them more loving and them have a tendency for clown you out, bro. So you have to reason with a man who understand girl. Meaning, I love him, love her. And him respect woman, because him grow with him mother. And not uno, you know. Not uno.
I can't disagree with what you have to say. Because ladies, I don't know this is true. As women will have some fucked up personalities and mentalities, no joke about that. As a woman, I tell you no, we fuck up. We born fuck up. And last night me I said to somebody say, listen now. Last night me I said to somebody say, why God never use piece of the brain out of the man for make a woman? Something will make sense. Him go use the ribs when it really makes sense. Because the ribs carry a whole heap of different levels to it. And him use the smallest piece of the rib for make woman. So at the end of the day, we are crazy. I agree with you upon that. We're crazy. We're fucking crazy. Bitches, we know this. Come on. Stay up on the side with me.
This way she do. Give thanks. Look. Give thanks and praise for she has said this, brat. Them now admit that. Woman not admit to nothing a blood clot all, bro. So if you book a girl that admit, I don't really like keep her up on a level in case life fuck up my. Because sometimes when you view some elder life, them used to date one woman and them set her one way and them go married outside, but the woman respect them because what them do. So I just what you do and how you choose to do it and how the woman think where you choose to do it with. Every woman think different, but most of them think like idiot. And every woman I makes business. She not tell us say, here we go on. I don't have a tendency to beg every day. Now. Give me 150 grand, make me go try do this. You know? In case I run out a little bus here, I can say, Mama, give me a 10 grand now. And I beg, you know. And I link you back, you know. But I'm kind of puncher.
Alright then. I'm going to ask you the question here. To the woman them, we live with them man, and this side say them want the business, but the man not up for it. How you deal with that situation there? Because me find myself in another situation there, you know. When me tell man say, here what? You are this and me are this. So we're going to do this together for try generate money for your kids and my kids. But the man decline upon that and willing to do it with somebody else. How you deal with that now? And how me supposed to feel as a woman and my personal man do this to me?
I'm really sorry about your fault, but this gentleman has been preying you for something that he don't want to tell you about. May I tell you, man love woman, but you fuck him up one way where him no want tell you, because him no want look weak. So somebody else know what she do, you know. She alright, you know. The dog have her in the back of her mind, you know, but him not ready for bus her yet, me I tell you. Post it, make him see it when I just
But
say
that fuck up.
The dog love you. I you take him.
Yeah, me give him a time.
All if him a pray for years, he have to sit down and look at himself before him dead and say blood clot. And that woman I give me mute them, so remember that. That score and one of them a regular score. And the two of them me have. One a SW. How you spell Swizz again? No man, I wear them blood clot give me for drink. Yo, what many
Fever!
Yo, God, no, I know slash God and the next one a SWIZZ. That one them most use. Underscore God. You see me? In a June. Don't left it out. And we normally keep strippers and tippers. The last time it did mad. The ladies them enjoy themselves. Cause we no fuck man. What a harbor view poolside. Make sure you come. We no too keep party for man. So you not hear no bag of man song. We no love man. Mostly ladies. Cause if I come here party and I hear too much man song, I'm gonna get for wine. I can't look at a girl if I no wine pan her. Or she gonna know if my waistline a work. Or I go reason with her. When I can just touch her and say, Mama, I beg you one wine in the next 5 minutes, you know? And then I take time conversating. Everybody have them different style. But I not too like approach people just so, cause people scared of people too. Just like how me scared of people too. So you have to understand life. Don't just approach a girl so just so, bro. Find one way for she feel comfortable. If she don't feel comfortable, back off. You see me? I just life. You have to just know, say, I know every girl you go get. Fuck. The killer them ready. Jam box big up on yourself and the ladies them big up themselves on the river and the beautiful. When you take care of your husband, when he want fuck give him, he won't cheat. Don't tell the man boy you're tired. Cut out them fucker. And make sure it's a meal ready. So if you prepare the meal, you will get enough fuck. If you prepare good food, you will get enough fuck so you don't have to use vibrator. Dash the vibrator and come back natural. Dash the vibrator for one. No, dash your money. Dash your vibrator for one couple months and realize that the fuck change what the man a give. Come back to yourself and see say you don't really need it. You look over pleasure. Cause that's how the topic this start from. Ready? Bye bye.
Alright. You don't know Smitty. But I really always talk on topics that they talk about. But I mean today was phenomenal. You see the topics that we actually hit on today was kind of different. And as I said, I appreciate it that we get men to actually come and, for them to views and stuff like that. And one thing I never liked though, Fiona. I really never did like the part where I eat pan. And it's like he want to blame we female for certain things. Like, like him want to say under the quiet say we bad and them thing there.
But Sunshine, as I said earlier on, we women were really fucked up. Yeah? As I say, Father God could have used the most important part of the man body for creating. But here we just see life for what it is, we just see life for what it is, and we just take a shot and take a chance. You get what I say? And the chances that we take some time that seems right, but at the time it just seemed right to us. So we're going to get blamed for a lot of things where it's not intentional. Understand what I mean? So, ladies, we need to buckle up ourselves sometime. If we feel like so we can't do good with a guy, just might as well. Nobody stick around and for break the boy heart, because it's going to cause damage for the next woman we are going to come again. Yeah? So I see the light where that go. For the woman them, we are try with the man them. It's good, sometimes it's really good for hear a man point of view on certain topics. And I like when him express himself and talk him truth and talk where him live. Not just him, but him people in him surrounding live it. So we are do damage as women out there. And a full time now we buckle down and do what we are do. Yeah? For the girl we are talking about man for all up them stress, I not support that. Because that look like a big situation right now. For every woman and every man right now. Because as a woman, no woman really wants to see them man I go through stress. Because from my man I stress, me I stress too. And my whole soul I go feel a stress there. You get what me I say? And if me I stress, my man I got stress too. So if you say you're there with a man, the two are not for hold up the blood clot stress there. There's something there with that there so. Yeah? Because the whole household I go feel it, even my kids them I go feel it. If kids in the picture. And the house itself I go feel it. Because it I go tumble down. So ladies, if you really love your man, help him hold up him stress. And man, if you love your ladies, help her hold up her stress. But relationship is a teamwork and a dreamwork situation. So we do this now, do this the right way and stop living a backer master days and another fuckery. Cause a whole heap of bullshit talking at them time there in the sunshine where you know man a fear do this and woman a fear do this and the segregation between the different roles between man and woman. Them the days they're done. Dambox, big up yourself for you share the views of the people them right throughout the nation. You know? This is going to go international, global, one day. So we just put together and make strings work and build the foundation and the structure will stand firm. So ladies, tapping on the man mental space, mental capacity, find out what go on with them, do some spontaneous things for try sue them for them come round and know what to do. Know what go on in them life. Because man I got just open up to it so you know if we not show a little improvement or little interest to say, forget that outer man. You get me? Because there's a society I feel with the men. So them believe that them can't have a 99 different woman. But if you have one woman who's sticking in your corner right throughout for you, you don't feel there's no need for you to go lingering and cheating. Because that's the problem basically there. You get what me I say? And if you really listen to the man, Swizz, Swizz, big up yourself, I'm not telling a lie. And the first time I ever sit down and see a man express himself so deeply, so emotionally. No joke. And Kartel, you forgot to change the name. This name tell truth. This name tell truth. Straight Vybz not there again. This name tell blood clot truth, Kartel. No joke. You see that? We just have to do what we have to do as woman. And just dead for woman, because the man them need we. Mental health is key. I don't know about nobody. Mental health is key. Sunshine, what you say about that?
Another thing, my peeps, but just ask, you know, may I plead one more time. Like, share up the thing, and please, may I beg you to subscribe, because I don't know, say Smitty Dan and Sunshine, I go always work for the people, right? I know, say, we just ask them to like, share, and subscribe right through. I don't know, says one jump box 876, no other. I don't know, say, girl, Sunshine, I'm out.